Alright, so we have made the ramp and now we're going to do the railings right here. So let me show you an image of that. So we're just going to do the railings and not the supports for right now. So there's 4 railings. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at what we have right now. We've got, I'll just maximize this guy. We've got a railing with a top and a bottom. So let's take a look and see how we can make these railings a little differently. So if I select that and I go to edit type, you have railing structure and baluster placement. The balusters are the verticals, and we don't really need any verticals because they're going to be taken over by those rods that are suspended. So we're going to get rid of the balusters first. So I'm just going to go to edit here, and you'll notice that the baluster family, the regular baluster, is set to none, but the start, corner, and end are set to round white. And so I'm going to come in here and set these to none, and that's going to get rid of all of our verticals. Click OK and apply, and you'll see all the verticals go away. Now the rail structure is what controls the way that these rails are distributed. So if I go to edit, you'll see that we have one rail at this height with that offset, which is basically an inch, with a circular handrail of 1.5 inches. But I'm going to go ahead and change this to 1 inch, and I'm going to change the height to 1000, and I'm going to change the offset to 0 for right now. We'll probably adjust it later. And then this rail 9, I am going to click on it and rename it to rail 2. And let's duplicate that. So I'm going to duplicate it, and duplicate it. Or actually we only need one more, so let me delete that one. And I'll just come in and rename these guys. So they'll be in order. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and so now I can go in and reset the heights of them. So if I set this one to 750 millimeters, set this one to 500, and set this one to 250, and hit apply, OK, apply, and now we have those railings going up and down just like that. So that's pretty quick and easy. So I mean, the other things that you can do with the ramp and the railings is you can go to edit type and see what the structure of the ramp itself is and all that kind of stuff, but we'll deal with all of that a little bit later when we get into the more specific construction types. All right, I think that's it for the ramp.